Can you play that again?
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. Acting naughty, 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 acting naughty. He think he hit, but he not though. Naughty, acting naughty, 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 acting naughty, naughty.
Watch me pop it, pop it.
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her.
Pop it, pop it.
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. She acting. Damn, mommy, why? She acting naughty, she want me.
Just know upstairs I'm going hard.
She acting naughty, she wild.
Bing bong.
She acting naughty, she acting naughty, she want me to spank it. Battle, that's not basic. Give my time, you better not waste it. Deep in time, no waiting. Like, we just gon' up a rotation. Feel like this the way that I aim it. Like, ain't no way to go. She acting naughty, she wild. She acting naughty, she wild. She acting naughty, she wild. She acting naughty, she want me to spank it. She acting naughty, she want me to spank it.
Can you play that again?
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. Acting naughty, 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 acting naughty. He think he hit, but he not though. Naughty, acting naughty, 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 acting naughty, naughty.
Watch me pop it, pop it.
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her.
Pop it, pop it.
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. She acting. Damn, mommy, why? She acting naughty, she want me.
Just know upstairs I'm going hard.
She acting naughty, she wild.
Bing bong.
She acting naughty, she acting naughty, she want me to spank it. Battle, that's not basic. Give my time, you better not waste it. Deep in time, no waiting. Like, we just gon' up a rotation. Feel like this the way that I aim it. Like, ain't no way to go. She acting naughty, she wild. She acting naughty, she wild. She acting naughty, she wild. She acting naughty, she want me to spank it. She acting naughty, she want me to spank it.
Can you play that again?
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. Acting naughty, 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 acting naughty. He think he hit, but he not though. Naughty, acting naughty, 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 acting naughty, naughty.
Watch me pop it, pop it.
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her.
Pop it, pop it.
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. She acting. Damn, mommy, why? She acting naughty, she want me.
Just know upstairs I'm going hard.
She acting naughty, she wild.
Bing bong.
She acting naughty, she acting naughty, she want me to spank her. Battle, that's not basic. Give my time, you better not waste it. Deep in time, no waiting. Like, we just gon' up a rotation. Feel like this the way that I aim it. Like, ain't no way to go. She acting naughty, she wild. She acting naughty, she wild. She acting naughty, she wild. She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. She acting naughty, she want me to spank her.
Can you play that again?
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. Acting naughty, 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 acting naughty. He think he hit, but he not though. Naughty, acting naughty, 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 acting naughty, naughty.
Watch me pop it, pop it.
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her.
Pop it, pop it.
She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. She acting naughty, she want me to spank her. She acting. Damn, mommy, why? She acting naughty, she want me.
Just know upstairs I'm going hard.
She acting naughty, she wild.
Bing bong.
She acting naughty, she She acting naughty, she want me to spank it. Bad little bitch, not basic. Take my time, you better not waste it. Deep into I'm no waiting. Like, we just gon' up a rotation. Feel like
So I'm finished. I know I said it wasn't a talking video, but it's gonna be awkward if I end this video without talking. So I'm finished. I was struggling. That's why I wasn't really recording. I was getting stressed out. I took a break, everything. Like, I was stressed, bro. But I used this, and I used a blow dryer, and I used a brush, scissors, you know, to cut my wig cap and everything. I have the process on here, I believe. But that's all I used. I didn't really use a lot of stuff. And for my edges, I used the Eco, the green bottle, argan oil, basically. I think that's what it's called. But everybody should know what the green Eco bottle is. That one, there's only one, so that's what I used. And for my first attempt, this is pretty good for a first attempt. I think it's because I watched plenty of YouTube videos before I even tried to do this. So my mom's calling me. Huh? Yeah. But I'm going to give a review. I got this at I have a beauty supply, like a really big beauty supply in my town, and it sells human hair synthetics. It's like a big old row, and there's top shelves and everything. I feel like every town has a wig, like a wig store like that. It's not a wig store, but it's like a really big hair store. So this is where I got this from. That's where it came from. Let me put it at that. That's where it came from. And it's cute. It's soft. It's not giving synthetic, and that's good because all my other wigs was just not giving after a couple of days, and this one looks like it's gonna last. So, and I hope somebody. I know I didn't really know what I was doing, so I was just filming to get some vids out there. But I hope you liked the video. I look really plain. I hope you liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I got more videos on the way.